If there's one thing I would remember about Patricia, it's the mission of Swiss Pilates, care, skill, and precision. When you go to her course, you will feel that, you will see that, and you will experience that. I am Beth, and I'm from Manila, Philippines. I am trained with Stott and Mat and Reformer. When I watch her on Instagram, and I find it very raw, very authentic, and I like the way she teaches. First day of the training, it feels so surreal to me because seeing her was like, wow, this is it, the mentor. So I feel the energy, the vibe, the passion already. Like she was standing there and I immediately got her energy. I thought like, this is it. I'm gonna learn from her. When I watch her on Instagram, I just really want to try how she mentors, how she conducts the classes. I realized I made the right decision when I was in the course. The teaching of Patricia is very different from what I've had before. I like it when she's being creative. She teaches everything, the tactile cueing, how you take care of the clients, and all the details. What I like with Patricia is the details. If you miss the details, you miss everything. But the details is with her because she is so precise. We have a lot of practices during the course. It's not we're stuck in one apparatus and that's it. And when we move on, we're no longer going back to this apparatus anymore. No, she makes Pilates so graceful. I've learned how the hows and whys of the method because of her teaching style. Patricia's playful. She's very fun-loving mentor. Like, yeah, she's Patricia. And when you see her, her vibe, her passion, she's very passionate. She has this emotional investment with the craft, with this craft. It's very unique to a person to have. She keeps on teaching even because she loves what she's doing. Like, I'm in a good hands, like a motherly touch, a personalized thing. She's straightforward. She would tell you, you can't do this first, but she has this encouragement. She respects your body, she respects your limitation, but she would always give you the confidence, the encouragement. She would assure you that you will get there. It is true to the written mission of the Swiss Pilates. I would recommend this course to even seasoned instructors who wants refresher, new students, everyone. I know I had one school before that's different from hers. It's always good to have another mentor, and in Pilates, details matters, and that's Patricia. Although you know already you're breathing properly, but with Patricia's standard, there's still more to learn. One thing that I would tell the future participants or students, towards the end of the course, you want more. All students, the feeling of all participants, they don't want to end the course. You want more learning from Patricia. Is the one you're looking at, the trainer. You want to keep on coming back. You want to keep on learning and getting something from her because she's so good.